So this is the box that it came in. I used one of these in an old video and I loved it, but the tips that come with it would not stay in the practice hand, so I had to order another one. The first one I got from AliExpress. This one I got from eBay. It was like $23, which is not bad. So here I'm just opening it up. They had it sealed really well. And it comes in this long box. The box is really nice. It has instructions, things like that, great graphics, and all of that on the box. And the hand is amazing. You can hook it to your table. The fingers can move. It has little joints and everything, which is really cool. It's really realistic. Some people say that the hand is not that pretty, but I mean, you can pay $200 or $300 for a hand that looks 100% real, or you can pay $23 for a hand like this that's, you know, functional and it's great for practicing. So I went with this cheaper, affordable route. To each his own. But yes, I'm very excited to use this for you all. I already have some designs in mind, and I wanted another one that worked so that I can actually do different designs, but stuff that I wouldn't really wear to work. So this is the hand. This is how it comes. And the little box has the tips in it that you put on. They just snap inside.